Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to record a video to insert into a task in Asana. To do that, go ahead and go to the task. So let's say I'm going to choose a project on the left hand side and just choose one of these tasks, right? So I'm going to open up the task, and on the right hand side, you will find the task details. If you scroll down, guys, now if you click in the task description and then click the plus to the left hand side to insert an object, you will look towards the bottom and you will find record a video. You can click on that. You'll receive a pop-up that will allow you to use whatever you want to use to record it. So in this case, I'm going to use, for example, OBS virtual camera. In your case, you will have whatever camera that's going to show up. You'll be able to record the task, and once that is done, you'll be able to see that in the video. So here you can do a screen record, you can do a camera record, you can do even both. It's really up to you. Ensure that your camera and your microphone is correctly set, and then you can start the recording. Once that is done, you'll have that within the description of this task. And that's pretty much it, guys.